Welcome to the STLE Interactive Lubrication Training Experience, a hands-on, 2-day immersion into the fundamentals of lubrication science and practice. This unique program combines classroom instruction with laboratory hands-on training designed to strengthen your understanding of lubrication basics, lubricant formulation, application, and real-world analysis. In the lab, attendees experienced firsthand how lubricant testing and analysis influence how lubricants are selected, bridging theory and application in a dynamic learning environment. Day 2 brought real-world context with sessions on automotive and industrial applications, lubricant selection strategies, used oil analysis, and industry regulations and credentials. The STLE Interactive Lubrication Training Experience supports professionals at all stages, from quality technicians and analysts to engineers and chemists, building confidence through active learning and expert instruction. Thank you to all participants, instructors, and partners and Southwest Research Institute who made this experience possible. Stay tuned for more STLE education opportunities.